Hi, my name is Rachel Neill. I am the Unity Pre-Construction Services Agreement Team Lead and Selections Coordinator. Today we'll be talking a little bit about the selections process. The selections process is the portion during design that clients get to select all of the fixtures and finishes that are required for their Unity package. Selections process is broken into kind of 3 different steps or phases. Starting virtually, we use an online cloud-based program to help coordinate and communicate through the selections process. Starting virtually allows us to help slow it down and relieve some of the on-site pressures of having to pick selections in one sitting. Step 2, after the client gets some time to work through this online platform and explore the available options, we'll then come back together again in another virtual meeting and review items they're considering for their final finishes. And then after a little bit more time and some more discussion on those finishes online, in the online platform, we'll then schedule an in-person meeting where clients can come into our showroom and review all of these fixtures and finishes in person to really confirm the finishes and make sure they're confident in those final colors that they're picking for their Unity home. Timeline for the selections process can vary depending on the package selected. So shell package goes a little bit quicker, tempo, there's a lot more items to pick and things to think about. But generally, the selections process can happen anywhere between 4 to even up to 8 or 10 weeks, just depending on overall project timeline and priorities that we set. The selections team here at Unity is really geared towards service through the design and the selections process all the way through the build completion. With the tempo package, we're providing not only those materials, but providing a service with that detailed selections and design process, as well as the administration time and coordination with the ordering and material handling and the delivery schedule. So that provides a level of service both to client and to GC. Along with providing these materials also comes along a warranty. So any trouble with any of those fixtures and finishes that we've provided on delivery or shortly after within the 1-year warranty period, then we are here to support you and to help with any of those warranty issues that come up. Thanks for joining today. Hope this was helpful in learning about the Unity selections process. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to visit our website or get in touch with our sales team.